Yo, what's up guys? Joe here, back at it again with another video. Hope you guys are doing well. What do I have in front of me? I have in front of me a pre-built gaming PC. Never thought I'd be doing a video on a pre-built desktop, but well, you guys are responsible for this. You guys are the ones that commented this down below. Not one of you guys, several of you guys commented about this specific pre-built model and how it was such a great value. How it was even a better value than if you would have built your own PC with the same amount of money. And that right there is what really got my attention. So I Googled this model up and I saw the specs, and for the money, I was like, wow. So is this pre-built gaming PC in fact better than if you would have built your own custom PC with the same amount of money? That's what we're gonna be finding out in this video. So I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I paid for it and what specs this thing has. But yeah, my last $500 PC build, it had a GTX 1050 graphics card and a Ryzen 3 1200 processor. This PC, I paid, comes with an Intel Core i5-7400 and an NVIDIA GTX 1060 3GB card, 8GB of DDR4 clocked at 2400 MHz, a 1TB hard drive, it's a 7200 RPM hard drive, and Windows 10 Home operating system already pre-installed. So this thing's ready to go. As you guys can see, I paid $513 for it. Well, we don't need this anymore. So yeah, if you can get this PC for $500, it seems like a pretty great deal. But guys, if life's taught me anything, if it's too good to be true, then it's probably not true. But whatever, on paper, it's a great deal. Where did they cut cost? Where did they cut cost? That's what I wanna know. That's what you guys wanna know. I'm sure you wanna know that. Where did they cut cost? We're gonna find out. All right, so here it is, the HP Pavilion Power Desktop. Oh, would you look at that? Wi-Fi plus Bluetooth. That's awesome. Okay, hopefully nothing falls. Let's just start with the keyboard. It's right in front of us. It's a very slim keyboard. Like, look how slim it is. It's pretty slim. I like the design. It's classy. It's obviously not a mechanical keyboard, but it doesn't feel so cheapy. I like its style. I'm just repeating myself, aren't I? I'm gonna play with this keyboard. Yeah, this keyboard pretty much just feels like a laptop keyboard. We have our power cable instruction manual. So power cable, our mouse. Mice looks nice. These screws are probably just to, maybe it's for drives. If you wanna upgrade your drive. Look at it, look at it. I like the finish. Looks dope, 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 dope. Oh, what? Wow. Can't be that bad, right? Ew. Is that's supposed to be, a 1060 is a 1060, but I just, yeah, it's not the most stylish 1060 as far as aesthetics, but then again, this is a closed case, like really, I guess it doesn't matter, who cares? Okay, so they definitely cut corners in the GPU. Yeah, I think it speaks for itself. We got the power supply on top, that's fine. Some cases have the power supply on top, but typically it's on the bottom. While we're talking about the power supply, it does seem to be an 80+ bronze power supply, so that's good, but what is the wattage? Wow, this is a 300-watt power supply. That's bad. When I'm looking at this PC, what I'm thinking about right now is upgrade potential. So what can you upgrade in here? You can upgrade it, but with that 300-watt power supply, you're gonna have to ditch that and install a new power supply if you wanna upgrade anything. It's a Toshiba hard drive. Got our DDR4 RAM. There's another 4GB stick in here. So obviously this motherboard socket is the LGA1151. As far as the chipset, it's a H170 chipset. So if you ever wanted to overclock your Intel CPU on here, you can. So if you ever decide to upgrade the CPU, you're probably only gonna upgrade it to an i7-7700, not the K version, because you're not gonna be able to overclock. Now, as far as the RAM upgradability, this motherboard only has 2 slots. You can upgrade it up to 16 gigs of RAM, only 16, not 32. It just goes up to 16. So you would have to buy another kit of DDR4 with 2 sticks of 8 gigs and then remove both of those because there's only 2 slots. If you're gonna pay $500 for this, if you do, get it at $500. A GTX 1060 3GB card and an i5-7400, that is a pretty good deal on paper. But if you were to then take a closer look like I just did right now, the upgrade potential of this, I think it's very important, especially on a gaming desktop. I mean, really, the whole point of the desktop ecosystem is to upgrade, the potential of upgrading. You know, there's more room, you can do more stuff with it. So yeah, the upgrade potential is just really important. And this PC doesn't have good upgrade potential. So first of all, like I said already, you gotta ditch that power supply. It's already went over the processor's upgrade potential. You can't overclock on this board. So yeah guys, 2017 was a big year for CPUs. And with this motherboard, you're gonna be left in the dust. The new 8th generation Intel CPUs, they won't work on this motherboard. And the new Intel 8th generation CPUs are pretty awesome, man. They offer a lot more performance compared to the 7th generation CPUs. So yeah, guys, you could upgrade this PC, but I don't know, you're kind of missing out on a lot. It is a good price for $500. It is a good value as far as the power that it offers for that price, but there's a lot of compromises, So say you wanted to build your own PC, I recommend you go check out my $650 PC build. The performance of that system is pretty identical to this system. Now I paid $650 for all the parts of that system, that PC build I'm talking about. So $150 more for the same performance, but keep in mind that system had a way better power supply. I used a 500 watt power supply in that thing, I believe. So if you then wanted to upgrade the GPU to a 1070, you'd be able to with a 500 watt power supply. On here, yeah, you can't do that. Now, as far as the inside of the PC and how things are laid out on here, it's pretty tricky. I'm sure that we can all agree that the $650 build was a lot better looking and would also be way more pleasant building in or upgrading compared to this right here. If you're buying this PC, think of it like if you're buying a console, guys, because just like a console, you can't upgrade it. You can upgrade it, but it's gonna be a big hassle. In my eyes, this is like a console. That's how I see it. It's a console PC. It's really, yeah. But yes, don't get me wrong, for the money and for the power, good value. Not really. So when you suck, but then you don't suck at the same time, HP desktop. Let's hook it up. Why does it feel so weird? It's the mouse. I can't do it, guys. I'm sorry, I can't do it. All right, let's disconnect this mouse. Yeah, sorry, this mouse is just not for me. Okay, here we go. Come on, where's my victims at, bro? Where's the traffic? Oh, there we go. Oh, come on, boys. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, that's right, that's right. Who's in here, who's in here? That's right, boy. Oh, there we go again. I know, so good. Alright guys, playing some GTA 5 now. Welcome to my crib. Showing you guys the settings real quick. Here they are. If I'm going too fast, just go ahead and pause the video. But fairly high settings. Don't need this one anymore. Test out an explosion, okay. Ooh, no FPS drops. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. I pressed F instead of G. Oh yeah, there we go. Come on. I missed again, and I missed again. Oh, oh man, that was a lucky shot right to the face. There we go. Oh snap, it ran him over. I recently played Mortal Kombat at a friend's house and I had a lot of fun. That's why I downloaded it. Alright, this is where I come back. Or not. So bad. Oh, and I didn't even tell you guys the settings, huh guys? The game's maxed out at 1080p. This game is capped at 60 FPS, so yeah, that's wise. Oh no, not looking good. That was good. Oh, who's gonna win? It's gonna be a close one. Yeah, that's right. Oh, I got it.
Here's Johnny.
I just jumped in a quick game of survival. Playing Left 4 Dead 2 now, maxed out settings, 1080p. I love this game because like, look at where you slice, like look at this engine. Look at that, I sliced at the arm, we got the arm. I love this engine. Oh, got a guy down. Sorry, teammate, I got you. Who's behind me? Oh, it's a charger. Come on, Lord, the Lord! The Lord! No! Our graphics settings. I set it to the high preset, but I changed this to FX88 and changed this to HB8. Oh, that one probably went down already. Yup, I saw him. That was sludge. Oh, get him, recruit. You got him. No, he does it. Rip. Ooh, we got ourselves a multi. Come on, buddy. Oh, someone's behind me. Oh, you thought. Oh my gosh. No! Look at my fails. After I hit him, I should have shot him right there. I just missed everything. Shot, yup, fail. And the settings we're playing Overwatch on is just on the Ultra preset, so just the Ultra preset. You can see right now our 1060s getting to work, topped off at 99%. And we're getting a lot of FPS, we're in the hundreds. So if you're playing on a high refresh rate monitor, such as a 144 hertz monitor, this PC will be a good addition to your 144 hertz monitor. If you want to play at, I'm sure if you lower the graphics to like the high preset or the medium preset, you'll get even more FPS. But FPS is nice and consistent. Okay, did I hit it too early? I think I did. Yeah, I hit it way too early. I got 2 though. Here's our chance. And my teammates are nowhere to be found. Anyways, while I land, I'll show you guys the settings. I'm playing on the high preset, so I just clicked high and it set it all to this. All right, sweet. You know what? No, forget that. We don't have time for that. Oh, I hit him. I hit him. Is that? Oh, it's 2 of them. Ah, run! No! I'm done, dude. It's over. RIP. GG. GG. Oh, God. Alright, let's play some Battlegrounds. So we're playing Battlegrounds now, guys, on the new desert map. I am playing on the medium preset, so all the settings are set to medium. FPS looks great, though. This new 1.0 version, right, of Battlegrounds. I'm getting 90 FPS right now. Looking pretty good. Very pleased with this performance. Someone's right by me. Oh, that guy's close. Oh. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. If you haven't already, feel free to turn on the bell icon because I do have another PC build coming out this month, January. I know I always say I'm gonna have a video up by a certain time and I always miss it, but guys, this time for reals, I'm putting out a PC build in January. And the reason this video even came to be was because of you guys. You guys were responsible, so you guys have good ideas. Did I just say you guys like 50 times? I did, didn't I? Sorry, you guys. So yeah, comment down below any cool video ideas you guys may have. But yeah, guys, Happy New Year. Peace out, guys.